Welcome to the Unit 1 math test. Remember to try your best, work slow, and check the rubric when you're done. 1 wants you to write the correct answer. Peter lives 3/10 mile from the soccer fields. How far does Peter walk in all if he walks from home to the soccer fields and back home? 2. Alton shoveled snow on 4/6 of his driveway before lunch. Then he shoveled 2/6 of it after lunch. How much more of his driveway did Alton shovel before lunch than after lunch? Use these models to help you solve. Number 3, Marcus and his family spent half of their vacation visiting relatives and another 4/12 of it at the beach. What fraction of their vacation did Marcus and his family spend either with relatives or at the beach? Number 4, again, use this model to help you. Emilio puts the same number of flowers in each of 2 bunches. The first bunch is 3/4 roses, and the second bunch is 1/3 roses. How much more of the first bunch is roses than the second bunch? Number 5, Camille uses 4 2/3 yards of white lace and 3 2/3 yards of ivory lace for a craft project. Write and solve an equation to show how much lace Camille uses in all. So they want you to write an equation for that one. Number 6, write a fraction equivalent to 3/4. 7, write a fraction equivalent to 8/12. 8, write a fraction equivalent to 12/20. For 9, 10, and 11, they want you to compare using greater than, less than, or equal to. 4/5 and 4/6. 10, 7/12 and 3/7. 11, 3/10 and 4/11. For number 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17, they want you to either add or subtract. So make sure you're checking to see what symbol you're supposed to be using for those. 2/5 plus 1/3. 3/4 minus 2/3, 3 3/5 minus 2 1/4, 1/2 plus 3 1/6, 8 7/8 minus 3 2/3, 1 7/8 plus 1 1/5. Once again, they want you to write an equation and then solve for numbers 18, 19, and 20. 18. Kate poured 3/4 cup of orange juice for herself and another 7/8 cup for her sister. How much orange juice did Kate pour in all? 19. Spencer is riding his bicycle 2 7/10 miles to the park. He rides 1 1/4 miles and stops to take a drink. How much farther does Spencer have to ride to the park? Number 20 is an extended response. Angela mixes 6 7/8 pints of fruit juice and 4 1/4 pints of ginger ale to make punch for a party. She has 9 pints of punch left at the end of the party. How much punch did Angela serve at the party? Explain how you know your answer is reasonable. So you need to solve number 20 and you need to explain why it's reasonable. That ends the test. Remember to review your rubric to check to make sure you have everything you need. Check your answers. You can always rewind this test. Good luck.